Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day it's going to be today. An incredible day it's going to be. Why? Because you are born for greatness. The things that you're doing on a daily basis are making the difference, they're making the impact. The impact that they're making are changing lives. And when you change lives, you are great. Right? And the greater that you will become is because of the greater the impact that you make, because the greater the people that you serve. Well, it says a lot. We think about, we've been talking about knowing to doing, right? Moving from knowing to doing, the evolution of being where you're at, knowing what to do, understanding, having the wisdom, and then doing it. And I was doing my 3 mile walk this morning, and every morning I get up early, and it just feels comfortable. Like I actually think I went through and no dogs barked at me today. But there's a house that I walk by every time, and the house I walk by every time has a porch and full of just whatever they can put out there. It has old TVs or air conditioner or trash, or it had some doors the other day. And I'm thinking to myself, you pick up some of it, but not all of it. You can't get into your front door, and yet you put more stuff in front of your front door. I was thinking, I know you know how to remove the trash because about every other week you remove some of it. But why not all of it? And I started thinking about their mind, and as we think about knowing what to do and what to clear out and what to make sure that we leave not done. The faucet's leaking, so I throw a bucket under it instead of just taking the time to fix the faucet. What is it that's in you that you know exactly what to do? You have the time to do it. And I would understand if, it was there for a few weeks and you just got to it. But if you just keep throwing stuff there, how cluttered is your mind? How cluttered is your ability to serve others? So just some thought for today. So you guys have an awesome, wonderful, just incredible day today. Don't forget that you, my friend, are God's greatest gift, and He wants to love you if you will allow Him to. We'll talk to you tomorrow.